Hey, welcome to 12 Apostles Helicopters. How are you today? You good? Very good. My name's Stephen. There's a camera up the front. You guys are on the screen if you want to give a wave and say hi. Welcome. Now if you do want to grab hold of anything, there is a handle up the top there, and you've got the bar here. Just don't open the door there. Okay?
Yep.
Alright. You're ready to go? Yep. Very good. Go check where this plane is. Okay, let's get going. Camel traffic, helicopter Zulu Victor Charlie departing the Apostles Heli 4 kilometers 500 westbound over the water for the township, Port Campbell. Okay, we're just going to head out over the water over here. Now you see a few of the Apostles on our left hand side. There's more on the right. We're going up to them first. We'll come back past all of them on the way back. Now the 12 Apostles are next to us and they reach up to the big one there with the green top on it. After that, the first two features, they're called the Twin Sisters. And the tall one after that is the Salt and Pepper Shaker. Now the long thin rock there, that one's called the Razorback. You see the jagged edge along the top there where the name comes from? The bigger island on the right is called Mussenbird Island. Looks a bit like a seahorse from up here. It is actually home to up to 50,000 mussenbirds. They nest on the island before migrating to Alaska each year. The next feature on the right there is called the Baker's Oven. And that gets its name from the hole through the middle, which resembles an old wood-fired oven. A lot of people say the island looks a lot more like a really big slice of cheesecake. Now we do have some of the fastest eroding coastline in the country here. They estimate we lose about 5 to 15 centimetres of cliff every year. Now the big rock coming up on the right, that's called the Sentinel Rock. That one actually stands more than 70 metres tall, so well over 200 feet. Makes that one the tallest rock in the national park. See, the cliffs over here reach almost 100 metres high. The cars on the road give you a better idea of how tall the cliffs are. helicopter Zulu Victor Charlie, Phoenix Township 500, climbing 750 and turning east to 12 Apostles, Port Campbell. Now out here on our left, that cove over there, it's called Horseshoe Cove. The beach at the back of Horseshoe Cove is actually home to a colony of fairy penguins. The river on our left there is the Sherbrooke River. After that, the cave is called the Thunder Cave. Quite impressive up close. You can walk there from Lockhart Gorge. You also have the Blowhole. And on the right side of Muttonbird Island you can see into Lockhart Gorge. You can get down and have a walk on the beach in Lockhart Gorge. Quite a good perspective from in there. Actually a few people down there at the moment. Now the 12 Apostles, they start with the big one just over here, reaching up ahead of us to the east. That's the 12 Apostles. There is actually 8 remaining rock stacks as part of the 12 Apostles. When they called them the Apostles, there was only 9. So I've only seen one fall down lately. That came down in 2005. You can actually see the pile of rocks in the water over here, whereas where it used to stand. On the other side of the lookout is Gibson Steps. You can get down and have a walk on the beach there as well. Very good perspective from down there. You get a much better idea how big everything is when you're at the bottom. Port Campbell traffic, helicopter Zulu Victor Charlie. Eastern end of the Apostles 750, inbound to the Apostles Heliport, Port Campbell. So as we cross back over the coastline here, you see all the Apostles lined up in a row out the left. That's the postcard shot, very famous view of the 12 Apostles. Charlie inbound. Okay, there we go. How was that? Good flight?
Oh,
Alright, we'll see you later. Enjoy the rest of your trip. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.